Hello everyone. Welcome to my new YouTube channel Psychology Class for All. Today we will discuss second measure of central tendency, the median. So what is the median? At first, we will see some definitions given by the experts of this field. Sir Garrett has defined the median in his book Statistics in Psychology and Education as the median is the value which divides the distribution into two equal halves such that 50% of the scores lie below it and 50% lie above it. And Sir Guilford has defined the median in his book as Fundamental Statistics in Psychology and Education as the median is the point on the scale of measurement below which 50% of the scores fall. It is the middlemost value in a distribution when arranged in order. Based on these definitions, it can be concluded as the median is the middlemost value in an ordered dataset. It divides the data into two equal halves with 50% of scores below it and 50% above it. It is a positional average not affected by extreme values and is particularly valuable in psychological research involving skewed distribution, for example, income, test anxiety, etc. Now we will learn about median calculation. So median calculation for ungrouped data. When we have raw data in individual scores, we sort them in order and locate the middle position. The steps are: at first arrange the data in ascending order. Now if number of observation is odd, then the formula will be median is equal to value at n plus 1 divided by second position. For example, the odd numbers, after arranging all the values in ascending order, the scores like 6, 8, 12, 15 and 7. So total number of scores are 5. The median will be the third value or value at third position equals to 12. Here the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. That means 5 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to third. So third position is having the median score. Now, if number of observation is even, then the formula will be as median is equal to two middle values divided by 2. The example can be taken after arranging the scores in ascending order. The scores are 6, 8, 12 and 15. So 4 scores are there. The median will be median is equal to 2 middle values divided by 2. Here 2 middle values are 8 and 12. So median is equal to 8 plus 12 divided by 2, that is 20, divided by 2 is 10. Now median for group data is median for group data. So group data is presented in a frequency distribution table. Median is found using a formula and interpolation. So the formula is median is equal to L plus n divided by 2 minus f, n divided by the whole equation is divided by fm into h. Here L is the lower limit or boundary of the median class, n is the total frequency, f is the cumulative frequency before the median class, fm is the frequency of the median class, and h is the class width. So these are the steps to calculate median from group data. First of all, make cumulative frequency column. and then find n by 2 and locate the median class where cumulative frequency is greater than or equal to n by 2. Then apply the formula. We'll see all these steps of formula with this example. This is the chart of having class interval, frequency and cumulative frequency in three different columns. Now we'll be putting the formula. Median formula, now here L is equal to 34.5, as the 35 to 39 is the middlemost class interval. So the lower limit of this 35 and 39 class interval is 34.5. So it has been taken over there. And as per the calculation of, and as per the formula calculation to define lower limit as discussed in the last slide, that is also applicable. So here n is equal to 46, n by 2 is equal to 23, f is equal to 25. This is the cumulative frequency above the median class, and frequency of the median class is 15, h or I is equal to 5. Both the things we can write in a formula like h or I, that depends, that says about the height or size of the formula class interval. So by putting all the values against the formula for median, the total median score will be like 35.15. Now about properties of median. So it is not influenced by outliers or extreme values. It can be calculated for ordinal, interval and ratio data as well. It does not use all values in the dataset. Now about advantages of the median. Robust measure gets unaffected by skewed data. That means it is ideal for psychological variables like income, trauma scores, etc. Simple to calculate for ordinal or ungrouped data. It is better for a skewed distribution compared to mean. Though there are some limitations of the median, it ignores data values beyond its position. For example, 100, 101 and 102 had same median as 100, 101 and 1000. It's not mathematically tractable. That means less used in further statistical analysis. It cannot be used for nominal data. Now about its use in psychological research. That means application of median in psychological research. In clinical psychology, median reaction time, symptom severity ranking used to be applied. In educational psychology, the median test scores used to be taken. In developmental psychology, median age for skill acquisition used to be recorded. In skewed data, that is in a research field, for example, PTSD score distribution among veterans. Now about comparison between mean and median based upon certain features. The first is sensitive to outliers. Yes, mean is very much sensitive to its outliers, whether median is not sensitive. Calculation, it's easy when it's easy for mean calculation when it is about ungrouped data. Little bit difficult when it is about group data, that too specifically with the short method or assumed mean method calculation. And median calculation is easy whether it is about group data or ungrouped data. All values utilization, yes, mean uses all the values, and for median it is a no. Skewed data, Mean gives a misleading response when data is skewed, and median gives the more accurate response. Mathematical use, yes, mean is being utilized highly in mathematical applications, and median has got a little bit low application or low utilization. In this video, discussion was about median and its calculation. In the upcoming video, I will discuss about third measure of central tendency, the mode. Till then, keep watching and do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.